Hey, do you guys have those e-brakes that you pull on them and they go all the way up and like it still looks like it's not actually holding on and the car still kind of rolls on hills, especially like steeper ones? So to tighten this up, you take this apart. Basically, you take these bolts off here. This one, this one, this one, and on the other side, same thing. That one, and then the ones for your cup holder. So this one, what else is there? Oh, that one and this one. And then you take a cup holder, be careful. You have to undo this clip. You have to also unplug this and this from here, depending on if you have 08 or not. If you have a 07, 08, you're going to have this extra one, and that's for your auxiliary cord. And so you want to do those two, and then you pull this back away from this. And when you pull this back, you'll have access to this. This is a number 12 nut, and so you take, in this case I took a shorty with this right here, and you can do it many which ways. You can get just pliers and do it slowly, and you put her on like so, and you just start wrenching. You keep going. I'm not doing it because I already did it, but you just keep going, you know, to just screw it on, and you screw it on to where it's basically still floppy, and that way it's not engaged. So if it's still floppy, it's not engaged, and that way you do it all the way until you basically can put it up like 45 degrees and it's solid, instead of going all the way up and it's not good anymore. So now see, it's engaged, it's not moving anywhere. And that's it. And then you put it back together and it's good. In this case, what I'm doing is I'm taking this one out because this radio is bad. It's got a jam in the CD player, and so I'm taking another one. Basically one of the last units ever made. 146 units from the last one ever made, except for obviously the new ones that they made extras of. So yeah, I'm going to replace it and see if that helps things.